So, picture this. You have an older PC or laptop, and you're tired of slow boots and laggy menus. Then you try Vinari OS 5.0, which claims to run smoothly even on modest hardware. Built on Debian 13 Trixie, with the latest kernel and a polished desktop out of the box. On the plus side, reviewers and the official site say the system uses only about 1 GB of RAM idle, supports modern hardware thanks to kernel 6.12, and gives a refined GNOME 48 desktop experience on the caution side. Even though it says lightweight, GNOME is still a heavier desktop compared to ultra-minimal distros. Some users with very old or low-end hardware might still see compromises, e.g., GPU drivers, optional features. So, is it worth trying? Yes, if you want a modern, full-featured desktop that performs well on mid-tier hardware. If you require ultra-minimal footprint or legacy hardware support, you might look elsewhere. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews.